Welcome in to another Garden Germinators giveaway. Every month, the first Wednesday of the month, I will do this until further notice, where I give a little bit of my garden to you to see if you want to grow something, if you want to bring a little bit of life into a pot, a window box, a garden, a communal space, or pass them on to a friend, maybe. Either way, I'm here to do that every month for you. This is open internationally. All the rules are down in the description. The majority of the seeds that I am passing on come from my plants, my flowers, my garden, unless otherwise stated. In each giveaway, I allow you to pick 3 seeds of your choice. You'll get a random amount, but pick your 3. So when you leave your comment, yes, I will ask for a keyword. I need that keyword and your 3 choices. All of the seeds will be named down below as well, but I'm going to show you what they look like. Now, this giveaway will run from today, the 4th of May, and last for 2 weeks and end on the 18th of May. Listen out for the keyword, have a look what plants, seeds, etc. you like, and let's go and have a nosy. First up, we have Forget-Me-Not. Now these are pre-packed. Cauliflower, pre-packed. Cornflower. Cornflower Blue Boy. Cornflower Black Ball. Nemesia. Basil. Caribbean Gems. Caribbean Gems. However you want to say it. Tavva Chantrieri. Purple and white tulip. Amaranthus. Limonnium Cinnatum? I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Statice blue. Then you can pick poppies. You may either have a poppy mix, or purple, or pink, or red. So you have 4 choices. Wisteria, and this is a white-green colour. Everything that you see on the screen, they are the colours that I am giving away. White foxglove. Morning Glory, Heavenly Blue. Or Grandpa OTT. Hibiscus Bluebird. Borage. Moonflower Datura. Blue Fescue. And your keyword for this giveaway is the word star, like the star in the sky, or a celebrity, a true star. Veronica Speedwell. Honeywort. Fescue Campularia. Lupin Russell, pre-packed Radish French Breakfast 3, or Radish Cherry Belle, Sweet Pea Everlasting, or Sweet Pea Royal Blue, and lastly, Coconut Ice Lavender. Now remember, you have your keyword to put in the comments and your pick of 3 different seeds that you would like. I will be using the random comment picker and I will be filtering out duplicate users. Something that will help you is that I will reply with a good luck and a 4-leaf clover if you've done everything correctly. If you're not publicly subscribed, make sure you're public. If you're unsure, ask. I'll let you know, because this is for public subscribers only. Remember, if you don't get that good luck, you've done something wrong, and I'm not here to tell you what. You need to work that one out. But don't think just for you. Think for a neighbour. Think for family. Think for a friend. And right now, I wish you good luck. Till next time, bye-bye.